Prohibits smoking, vaping, chewing tobacco, or consuming your own alcohol anywhere on board the aircraft.
There are so many butterflies. So many butterflies. Bienvenido a San Jose del Cabo.
You got your location and GPS.
It is so dusty up ahead. So many butterflies. No idea why it's so dusty. Construction. Perhaps. Oh my god, the hill. How am I going to go downtown and come back up? The hill is so hilly. So steep. Steeper than in Puerto Vallarta. I like these plants. Or tree trunks. Is it the light? Okay, it's very hot. Ever to open the key box. It's nice. I'm running on empty. I'm so tired. Okay, it made it look like the beach was in walking distance. This does not look like walking distance. That is far. The view is nice though. And then like a hammock. So that's nice. Like all the butterflies. Come back, come back. Ooh. Oop. Oh my god, it was so hard to find this place that the host recommended for authentic tacos, meat tacos. It says the hours are 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's 6:18, but it look like they're locked. And I passed a little spot where they're making tortilla, like without a machine and stuff. But this is cute. I'm trying to find the artwork, but I'm so tired. It's so hot. And there are no sidewalks. It's a bit scary. Oh, we're going into that gully like in Barbican. I should get a postcard. So pretty. So pretty. All the lights in that store. I think this is handcrafted leather. Oh, they're having a performance. Gargoyle. The artworks are nice. Look at that. Ah, they have drumming. Museum Maruno. Decided to go with mojito. No mezcal. I don't want any tequila. I already forgot what he said they were, but this is super spicy. This is a guacamole and spice. It's like a spice whatever. What did I get myself into? 180 for these two. I don't know if it's before tax. And that was $200. Pesos, not dollars, pesos. I need to get water. I should take a taxi to Walmart. Oh, unless I see the gas station. Oh, there's a taco place here too. How gorgeous is this fish lady? Is this a little mermaid? Halle Bailey. She got afro texture hair. You can get it for 12,500 USD. It's really gorgeous.
Gracias. Hola.
Hello.
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo anda pues? Excelente. ¿Cómo le ha ido? Dándole ganas, ¿qué otra? La lluvia está terrible. Así es. ¿Ese qué viene siendo, Esos se llaman bombas de fulminadoras. Se usan como para eventos afuera. Por ejemplo, se hace una reunión de amigos, rituales o hasta cuando se oyen en Temazcal.
He's weaving the bags over there. How cool. So I guess my thing is to get incense. I love the ones I got in Bali, so I got some at the artwork. Oh, Palo Santo, jasmine, rosemary, eucalyptus, rosemary, and some other ones. Look at that. Boom, boom. Is he going to throw it up again? No, she's not. Well, there's one. Can you see it? Oh, and another one. We're about to get lost in Walmart in Espanol. I just want a few things. Pharmacy. Need sunscreen, water. I was like Halloween, but I forgot that Dios de los Muertos. But let me know if that gone already. It is so hot. I bought a white v-neck t-shirt for 129 pesos, Mexican pesos. And I bought a sunscreen for $189. I went to go look for... Oh, how do I know if these water tastes terrible? That's the thing. Not all water tastes the same, you know? Ooh, what's the price? 40 riba? All right. 5 days. Let me choose one. These bananas are sexy, but I'm a split open. Okay, I'll have to eat this one tonight. Kombucha time me because when am I about to get a kombucha? Oh, here I was thinking that it was just one flavor of Tajin. Look, there's a lot of Tajin. Oh, tamarind. This must go so hard. And then there's a mango, a sweet mango. Oh, I should try this. I should buy one of these to take back. I don't have any fruits, but they have a watermelon one. Oh, so many. This goes really well with watermelon, and I've had it with jackfruit. Oh, this is habanero. Think spicy with lemony, with citrusy. Yeah. I'm giving up sugar, but I gave into my sweet tooth. Oh my God. But they all feel so hard. Maybe I'll have to heat them up. Oh, you can get a platter of sweets. Oh, it's like in the Korean bakery where you have to get a thing and then go through, pick up your stuff, put it on it, and then bring it to the top. I don't know what that is, but I want to try it. And you bring it to the cashier. And then these nachos. Ooh. Should I try a cactus spear? Oh Lord. What if I don't like it? Ooh. How do you know if it's ripe? Well, I am going to go for it and try a prickly pear. Alright, this feels ripe-ish, but not quite. I understand why everything is flaming hot, from Takis to whatever, but Jesus, me can't handle it. I'm a grown-up, me can't handle it. My digestive system can't handle everything being flaming hot. And then citrusy. Dear God. Mm-mm. Trying to find a chip. Everything has jalapeno, lime, and whatever else. So many tropical flavors. Mango never hits it, but soursop, yummy. Love vanilla. They have passion fruit. Passion fruit is always good. There's a guava. A very wonderful, I guess, creamy dessert. I mean, I love soursop. This is good. I wish I could fly. Dear God. The journey up this hill. Ooh, child. Oh my God. Okay, slow and steady wins the race. When I get to where the car comes from, I can take a breath. I'm already out of breath. I have to go practice on the stair climber. Build up my stamina. Maybe I should do this every night or something. Have super calves. Oh my God. Guess one of the bummers are it has been, I guess, overcast at nights or whatever, or cloudy. Yeah, overcast, that's the word. Stars. I don't get to see the stars. Oh, the cacti house again. So pretty. Almost at my first rest stop. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, this is very steep. I feel like I'm going to tilt backwards. Ooh. Ooh, tuna. Well, we got rain. I was meant to do activities today, but I had a conflicting schedule. So I rescheduled for tomorrow. And I don't know. It's raining tonight. And it's supposed to be an 8:30 start for the activities. So I'm just hoping this is just a typical little tropical rain. Get some rain in the night. The sun comes out tomorrow. And not a repeat of 2023, October, around this time.